Hi guys, for today's video, we're going to make biscuit cookies. So this is Helen Tanyamar. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell down to keep updated for more videos from me. Wanna know how? Let's go! To the ingredients, we need flour, butter, condensed milk. So we need 1 cup of flour, half can of the condensed, 100 gram of butter. So an empty bowl, we put all the ingredients, the 1 cup of flour and then the butter. Then we're going to mix the 2 ingredients. And then after that, we're going to add the condensed milk. And just continue mixing it, and then it look like this. Then you're going to put it in the fridge for about 1 minute, and then just flatten it in the surface and then make any form you want. So we make like this and star, then put it in the oven for about 15 minutes up in 180 degree, and then after 15 minutes our biscuits are done. The biscuit cookies is now ready to serve. So thank you guys for watching, and thank you also to Jana. So that's all, and bye bye.